Welcome back to the channel, guys. Papa Missouri here, popping in the Show Me State. Today, as you see, we got a large priority box here. It's a 12-12-8. Weighs, I don't know how many pounds because they paid flat rate shipping for it. This is a Whatnot Amazon mystery box. We actually have two of them. We'll open one today, see what it's all about. We'll scan them with our phone, see if we can come up with anything, and see what kind of value we got in this. I think this cost us about $17 with shipping and everything, taxes and fees. So let's rip into this thing. It's been a while since we've seen you guys. What's everybody up to? Hope everyone's doing good out there. Hope everyone's staying safe with all this cold wintry weather we've been having. And if you're not having the wintry weather, would you like some? I got plenty outside. So, yeah, it's been a long week, trust me. I don't know, we got all kinds of stuff in here, it looks like. Oh my, oh, yeah, okay. Alright, first item up here. No clue what it is. Some kind of flag, it looks like. You gotta be smarter than the bag. What do we got? We got a flag. Is that Ukraine? Maybe? I don't know. Don't know what that is. We got a flag. So, not a clue. Alright, we got Mycroft and the Patent Trolls. A book. Let's see here. We've never bought an Amazon box off of Whatnot before, so we thought, why not try it? Like I said, they were like, I think it was $17, somewhere around there. So let's see if we can get this baby to go here. Come on. All right, here we go. So this book actually sells for $19.59. Now, it's a little warped, but $20. So we just paid for the box. All right. Next thing up. Be Independent. Some sort of mesh thingamajig. Maybe it goes around like a headrest in a car. Not real sure. We got some great stuff here, I can already tell. Alright, we got a ruler, flexible ruler, that is sold by Target at Target. So, flexible ruler. Oh, we got some pencil erasers. I can always use pencil erasers. I love pencils. I don't know why I use pencils a lot. We got some gel heel inserts liners for your high heels. I don't wear heels, so, you know, let's check these out. They got a barcode. Come on. These sell for $6. So we're up to $26 right here. $26. Let's see, the erasers. One pack, 3 count, $4. So that's $30. And if you can keep track at home, let me know at the end. So, oh my, we got some ribbon, just some random ribbon, more random ribbon. I don't know if this was more of a Amazon return or let's clean out my closet. These are Happy Easter banners. We won't open those. There's a whole bag of them. Looks like we got some stethoscope ring, stereoscopic arm rings. Okay. I think they're like floaty things for the kids in the pool? Not real sure. Of course, we got a video game wristlet here. Looks to be, I guess, a video game adjacent. Jeez. Yeah, it says let's go, start play. Nice little keychain. Probably throw that on our dollar site here locally. Shoot it out of here. Little container. Oh. We got a bag of hardware for a light, hanging light. Oh, okay. So this might be good. We got some Paul Mitchell Instant Moisture Shampoo. Instant Moisture Shampoo. Okay. I'm intrigued. Let's go. We're up to $30 on just the stuff I've scanned. So we're double what we paid for it already. $15 a jug. So we're up to $45 on just a few items. So this one was worth it. Now, if we were to do it again, would it be? Who knows? We got a phone case. We got appears to be Deadpool phone case. Deadpool adjacent. I don't know if it's really Deadpool, but we got some reader glasses. Pioneer Woman reader glasses. So, yeah. There we go. We got some Pioneer Woman readers. I don't even know if those are readers. I have to kind of clean them up, but being Pioneer Woman, they will probably do okay. Probably sell pretty quickly. We got a bag of miscellaneous. We'll get into that here in a minute. Oh, we got a glass snowman. Little glass snowman ornament. That's pretty cool. That's a lot of... It's definitely glass. It's heavy. There's something wrapped up in some tissue paper. Looks like a picture frame. Oh, it's a stocking and a picture frame, like ornament. Okay. Now I have had these for about a month and a half, maybe. So maybe that's why there's some Christmas stuff in here. Not real sure. Looks like some kits to make like a kid's diorama for school. Some other stuff. What's this? We got something else wrapped in tissue paper. This is what makes me think it's not straight Amazon restock or returns, like stuff like this. Which, you know, it is what it is. So, I am not going to touch that because I will have this all over me. But we got some red flower sparkly stuff. I could literally look at that and it'll be on me, so we're not touching it. We got a paint by number. I will definitely not be doing that. Way too complicated for me. I am artistic, but not that much. Not that much. We got some Hello Kitty thank you cards. That's pretty cool. Another pack of thank you cards. Along with some other random, like, thank you gift cards and stuff like that. Okay. We got a Hello Kitty party game. 1 poster, 8 stickers, and 1 paper blindfold. Oh, you have to put her bow on her. You have to put her bow on her. Yeah. See, this has a blue sticker. This was not an Amazon restock. I mean, it is what it is. Like I said. To hell and back in a bottle. In 1943, times were exciting. It was World War II. Everywhere you turned, there were signs of the war progressing. I thought I was grown at 13. I could have stayed, but I chose to run away when I was in the 6th grade. The choice I made that day changed the course of my life. Lucian McNabb. He's known as Buddy McNabb. Okay. That might be interesting. Might be an interesting book to read. Yeah. Might deal with some addiction problems, it sounds like. Alright. Looks like we got a mouse pad. Got like a black mouse pad. So those come in handy for a lot of different things. I paint on them sometimes when I'm in the house and don't want to get paint on something. And then we got one more thing, it looks like. Oh my god, you did it. This is a centerpiece, 9x12 centerpiece for graduation. And the good thing about this is it does not have a year on it. So it's still usable. You know, a lot of these have the year, so you can't use them year to year. So that sucks. But that is it. $17. I think it was worth it. Oh, we got this bag. Let's go through this. Looks like a little bottom of the box scrapings. Let's throw something together and put it in a bag. So, and that's definitely what it is. Oh yeah. Okay, so we got. Not real sure. They're like plastic bats. And it's all Halloween related. Got a spider web thing. Got some balloons. And then we got some cookie cutters. These are graduation cookie cutters. So we went from Halloween to graduation real quick there. Okay. Interesting. So we got. What is that? Somebody tell me what that is? Am I looking at it backwards, upside down, left and right? It says graduation cookie cutters. I would say that that's definitely a cap and tassel. Yeah, there's a third one in here. Oops. Hey, while I'm getting this, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. For almost a 2,500 subs, guys. And we will be having our 3-year anniversary live at some point once the weather cools down a little bit. So, I don't know what that one is either. Graduation themed. You tell me. I don't have a clue. So that was our box, guys. $17. I think we did really okay. Got a lot of stuff. We'll just lot up. We'll put the cookie cutters with that thing. Put it on the $1 site probably. This ribbon, same thing. We're going to clean these up, make sure they're not scratched. The phone cases, it is what it is. But yeah, so we should be able to get our $17 back, no problem. We will let you know. We'll keep a running tally of when we list this stuff. If it sells, we'll let you know and see how it did. You know, I remember who I bought it from. I don't know that they're doing them anymore because when I bought them, they said they were going out of business. They weren't going to sell them anymore, so we'll see. But guys, as always, be decent, do one good thing for everybody, and we'll see you later. See ya!